Welcome to Quick Literature Academy. Subscribe and press the bell icon for more literature videos. This is the third part of the five-part series of quick overview of history of American literature from 1865 to 1914. Between 1865 and 1914, the United States transformed from a country just emerging from a destructive civil war to an imperial nation with overseas possessions and coasts on both the Atlantic and Pacific. Though these years brought wealth to some and stature to America in the eyes of the world, the undesirable consequences of rapid territorial population and industrial expansion were felt most by those least able to resist the greedy, unscrupulous, and powerful. The literature of this period appears in the context of the dramatic diversification of American experience, both ethnic and regional, and the small but insistent movement among authors to combat the social inequities arising from too rapid growth. To face the challenge of representing these dynamic cultural changes, American authors turned to the international aesthetic of realism, which was an attempt to accurately represent life as authors saw it through concrete, descriptive details that readers would recognize from their own lives. A distinct aesthetic response to the late 19th century American naturalism continued the realist attempt to represent new and unfamiliar types of characters, but naturalists concentrated on lower class, marginalized people and merged the realist attention to detail with a strong belief in social determinism rather than free will. Another crucial development of realism was regional or local color writing, an attempt to capture distinct language, perspectives, and geographical settings before industrialization and cultural homogenization erased them. This is the end of the third part of the five-part series. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more.